Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the QR code not loading on WhatsApp web. First, refresh the page. On your keyboard, press the F5 key. You can also click the reload button at the top of your browser. This will reload the WhatsApp web page and often makes the QR code appear again. Wait a few seconds after refreshing to see if the code loads properly. If the problem is still there, clear your browser cache and cookies. Open your browser settings. Look for privacy or history settings. Find the option that says delete browsing data. Make sure you select cache and cookies. After clearing them, close your browser completely and open it again. Then go back to WhatsApp web and check if the QR code is now visible. If it still does not work, disable your browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, can block parts of the page. Open your browser extensions or add-ons menu. Turn off all extensions, or at least disable them one by one to find the one causing the issue. After disabling them, refresh the WhatsApp web page again. Also, try disabling any VPN if you are using one. These simple steps usually fix the QR code loading problem. Thanks for watching.